Do Asian and foreign dating sites profit by fraud? The IMBRA law should apply to all foreigners. The feminist-inspired U.S. IMBRA law mandates identity and background checks on U.S. citizens. This information must be given to foreign members before any communication can begin. Considering the plethora of online dating scams against Americans, few would be dumb enough to release this information. Instead, the law should have required the foreign members submit their full identity information and background checks to the paying American members. Putting IMBRA on the foreigners might stop the scam sites that generate totally fake profiles and reduce the scam girls that post the sexiest photos. Of course, without the sexy photos and fake interest, the dating sites would have difficulty getting men to open their pants where their wallets are. If foreign dating sites would show the IP location of the member, graphs of online activity of each member, and release their site demographic data by age, gender, and online activity, it could greatly reduce this fraud. The obvious absence of these data proves something is circumspect. None of these dating sites match members using in-depth personality evaluations or guided communication typical of domestic dating companies. Also, none of the Asian dating sites have true reciprocal searching features. For example, a man could search for parameters of interest, but the search results pay no attention to what the women state is acceptable to them. The results also omit how many other men have searched or contacted the women who appear in his search. These dating sites have to sell the sizzle as they have very few stakes. Fact is, there is a woman shortage in Asia, especially with the history of selective abortion of baby girls in China. Japan and China have been active for years in recruiting brides. If parents want their son to have a chance at marriage, they know it will cost a ton of money and they are willing to spend it. Hypergamy is the rule in Asia. Only the poorest women, unwed mothers, or bar girls would expect her parents to approve of a foreigner, especially without a huge dowry or visa opportunity to send money home. Over 60% of Japanese men age 18 to 34 are unable to find a woman to have any relationship with. That's huge. If lovely cherry blossom women were available only a few hours away, why wouldn't they jump on it? In any case, foreign dating sites seem to ignore IMBRA or discuss the topic with fuzzy logic. For example, a church may be exempt in matching its brethren. But a dating site that puts a religious word in its title does not make a church. Anyone familiar with the Philippines knows that crucifixions take place in almost every town on Easter, and men will flog themselves bloody in processionals. So, a hypothetical company name like Jesus Loving Filipinas isn't exactly narrowing the field to a small subrogate group or ministry. Another fuzzy IMBRA excuse is to claim the site is free to sign up and costs the same for everyone. With membership fees often running hundreds of dollars, do they really expect the typical poor women at their dating site to pay, when they earn less than $2 per day and can rarely be online due to the 25 cents it costs to use an internet cafe? Admittedly, there are a few cougar women looking for a prince, and these women get scammed too. All of which could be avoided with some honest information by the dating site. Sobering as it is, math doesn't lie. If dating sites do not show you the numbers, then don't buy. Note: the information herein is for social and political commentary and is not guaranteed as to accuracy or fitness for any purpose. Nothing said here is legal or professional advice or opinion. Here is our short video banner on the treatment of excessive dishonesty and delusion of society.